Hey, Jenna. Figured out where it is we need to go to change the decimal places in the Minitab output if necessary. So what you need to do is if you click on, any of these statistics whose decimal points or decimal point values maybe you want rounded to the fourth digit, you just click there as I was having you do when we were connected via Zoom, and then you'll have a little down arrow that appears over here. And if you click on it, decimal places is an option, and you can change it to however many decimal places as the problem requires. So maybe they wanted you to round to 2 digits instead of 3. You just drag up and click on the 2, and now you can see that particular statistic is rounded to 2 digits after the decimal point. If you were told to round your standard deviation to 4 digits, you'd click on the standard deviation, click on the down arrow, decimal places, and then up to 4. And it will round it to 4 digits for you. So I knew it could be done. I just couldn't quite remember where it is done. So let me know if you have any questions.